guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this wireless charging station made by JE. Now this is a $35 wireless charging station that you can find on Amazon. Links will be in the description below if you want to go pick this thing up. And I guess there's not really much more to say about it, so let's go and start with showing you around the box here. You can see here on the front, JE, which is obviously who makes the product here. Right there, make it simple. And you can see here, this is the wireless charging station. Can charge 3 devices at the same time. In this case, I'm going to be demonstrating it on my iPhone XS Max, which is what I'm currently recording with, along with my AirPods 2nd generations. And other than that, that's the only wireless charging devices that I have in the house. So that's all I'm going to be able to demonstrate them on. So I'm only going to be able to demonstrate 2 devices out of the 3 that this thing can handle. So quite impressive, I would say. Anyways, you can see here, wireless charging power station, UT-16. I assume that's the model number. Inside here, you can see which power adapter is in the box, and it doesn't have a mark. But in this case, I'm in the US, so it would be the US power adapter. Wireless charging power station, and same thing, or basically the same thing on the other side here, except this one has a label. You can see right there if you want to take a look at that. There you go. And then also on the back here, we have the nice picture of what the power station looks like, along with specifications here. Model number, once again, UT-16. Input 12 volt, 2 amp. I thought it said 3 amp there. And output 5 volt, 1 amp. Okay, so to 3. So yeah, it puts out 5 volt at 1 amp. So there's that. Charging efficiency and so on. Along with a QR code to go to their website, I would assume. So there's that. So there it all is. So let's go and open this thing up. So it looks like you pull on the top here to open it up. And yep, that's what you do. Just going to pull it out here. And there it is. And it's actually quite a bit bigger than what I expected, honestly. But, well, I guess it can accommodate 3 devices. So can't say I'm surprised. Let's go and pull it out here. Come on, there we go. And I'll set this off to the side for now. And we also have a power adapter in the box, along with a user manual, user guide, whatever you want to call it. So there's that. Just going to take the power adapter out. And okay, so I was expecting it to be maybe USB-C, but it's not. There it is. I'll give you a nice little picture of the label there. So there's that. So let's go and take it out, the actual charger now of the packaging. And all right, so oh, that's kind of cool. So it kind of feels honestly like a book. That's actually quite nice. It has like a leather finish to it. Once again, model number, input, so on right there. So that's very interesting. Not very flimsy. So there's that. Not bad. So there it is. Once again, you can see put one device here, the other here, and the other one here. JE wireless charging power station. So there it is. So what I'm going to go and do now, plug this thing up, go and get a charging score from my phone, and also go and charge my AirPods while I'm at it. Go and see how this thing works. Alright, so my phone here has been on the wireless charger for a few minutes, and so have my AirPods. These are 2nd generation AirPods. 1st gen AirPods never came with wireless charging, and if you have 2nd gens, yours might or might not have wireless charging. It depends on if you decide to spend the extra money, but either way, I did here, and these have been wireless charging here. You can see I'm going to take them off here for a second. I'm just going to place them back on, and you can see their light turned on. You can barely see it on camera there, but you can see it did turn on, and I believe it actually fully charged them because the light is green, so that's pretty cool. Also, my phone here, I'm going to go and unlock it here. When I took a charging score, and this is the score that it came up with. You can see it's pushing out almost 4 watts. It's at 3.59, so somewhat close to 4. MAMP, I assume that has to do some with amperage somehow. It's at 718, and then duration to charge 1% of your battery. In this case, took a minute or 159 seconds. So there's that. Now this might be faster for you. It depends on your charging score. It depends on your phone. Depends on what else you're charging. In this case, once again, I'm just charging my AirPods, and this phone. But if you're charging another phone, or heck, even all three are phones, your charging score is going to probably be a little bit lower. And also, once again, it depends on your phone. If you're using like an iPhone 8, the duration to charge 1% of your battery is probably going to be less because it's a smaller battery. So there's that. So once again, the charging score, sorry, I couldn't think of the word there, but the charging score so far, it seems pretty alright. 159 seconds to charge 1% of your battery. It's not the highest I've seen, but it's definitely not the lowest. This is kind of getting, a little bit higher than average, but keep in mind you're paying, what, $35 for this whole thing, and you could charge 3 devices at the whole time, and I'm charging 2, so in my opinion, pretty alright. So there's that. So not much more to say about it, so what I'm going to go and do now is stop this clip and go and give you guys my final opinions. Alright, so overall, what do I think of this wireless charging station? I think this thing is actually pretty alright for the price. Now keep in mind, $35, that's around what I would be paying for like a pretty decent wireless charger. And this one here, you can charge 3 devices off of this thing. For example, the wireless charger that I use, I think was like around $50 more than this thing, and it can only charge 1 device, okay? So for example, my AirPods, I have to charge those wired, or whenever my phone's not on there, I wireless charge them. So it can only charge 1 device at a time, but this one here can charge 3 separate devices here. So pretty cool in my opinion. Now this would be really good. Like for me, I just only use it with 2 devices. Only 2 of my devices have wireless charging. By the way, Apple Watch does not work on these, okay? Wireless chargers do not work with the Apple Watch. Apple's using their own special wireless charging, so if you have an Apple Watch and this thing doesn't work with it, that's why no Apple Watch will work with any sort of wireless charger, especially this one. So there's that. But overall, once again, I think this thing is pretty cool. If you have 3 devices, like mainly if you're also a family and you guys each have wireless charging capable phones, this thing would be really cool. You guys can just set your phones here at night, and in the morning they will be all charged up. So overall, once again, if you're looking for a pretty good wireless charger, in my opinion, that can charge 3 devices at once, I definitely recommend this thing. It does seem pretty good for the price. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.